That's great.
Good. Relax your ankles a little bit.
Oh man.
Alright, one. What's going on, man? Everything's on. I didn't have the mic on. Alright, so tell me what's going on with you. I know you don't have any issues, it seems like.
Yeah, no, I don't have to. It's not too bad. I do have kind of a bump on the back of my neck. I guess this is from kind of poor posture, but my grandma has it, my mom has it. But I think we all kind of have a little bit of posture like that.
Yeah.
But when I get really tired, I want to count. So just staring at the screen all day. Sometimes on the way home, I feel like just like needles right here. And the only way to fix it is like I'll put the headrest on and like drive with perfect posture or sit with perfect posture. Just try to like push myself back. I'm like leaning forward sometimes all day.
Because so that right there, you already know that it's posture related, right? Because when you look at an actual like bone, like if you see this portion right here, you can see the difference. Like in the front portion, it's like nice and smooth. In the back of it, it's all like dinosaur looking. That's because that's where all the weight is really supposed to be settled on. And a lot of times when you are sitting down for long periods of time, you are like this and then you're like this. And the thing is your body can't maintain those curvatures that it wants. And when that happens, it creates a lot of that tension, a lot of that tightness, develops some scar tissue, develops abnormal posture, and that little hump that we call dowager's hump starts to develop just because we're not sitting properly and extending the back this way. So whenever you do start to feel stuff like that, an exercise you can do is something called a chin tuck. Real simple. You just bring your chin like this.
Chin and kind of put it over your shoulders again.
Yeah, so you're just trying to like make it straight again that way.
So like pull your shoulder blades too?
Yeah. So like if you're sitting in a chair like this and all you have to do is like you pull your shoulders back and then pull back like that.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
That's the biggest thing. All right. Anything else going on with you?
I mean, just I think over time sometimes the hips get tight or just the normal stuff. But for the most part, it's just really this area.
Yeah.
I mean, stuff gets tight here and there.
Do you have any headaches, anything like that?
No, not too bad.
Not too bad. Okay, but you do have sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes. I've kind of. I guess I haven't I haven't seen a doctor about it, but kind of. The pain in the arch kind of hard, but might be just
okay.
But I don't know.
Yeah, it just could be just the way that your hips are set.
Make it worse than others. And,
Okay, cool. All right, well, I think we're just gonna take X-rays on you and then get you adjusted afterwards.
Sounds good.
All right, cool. You're probably getting
I wanted to get over already.
All right, so come with me. So I want you to take a deep breath, let it out, let your shoulders relax more, look up more. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
That was a little hard, but I had to get through it.
No, that's good.
Not bad, right?
Whew. That's good. That's good.
Good, go on your side, face me. So we're gonna adjust that left side. Scoot forward this way. Scoot your hips. Let this leg hang off the table. Let that go. Do you feel that?
Yeah, I feel it right there.
It's already moving. So take a deep breath in and let that out. Good.
That was good.
Go on the other side.
Oh man.
Yeah. Face that way. Good.
Gosh.
Hold the top. Good. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing down right there, alright? So let your air in, out. Exhale. Good. Relax your stomach more. Good. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh man, it's great. Just like that. And then let me see here. You're gonna roll with me. I'm gonna get up higher, right up there. That's it. And see, I'm not rolling you all the way back. All right. Good. Laugh a little bit. Good.
Oh. Wow. That's great.
Yeah.
I feel like my shoulders got loosened up. Wow.
Mm-hmm. Just everything, right?
Yeah.
So C7, put your arms on your stomach. That's it, just like that. Feel that right there. It's right where that hump that we were talking about is.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Let that jiggle just a little bit more. More. Drop the shoulder.
Oh man. It's like the best pain I've ever experienced. Golly. Feel it like
Just that.
feel like oh yeah, wow.
You're getting pink too.
Yeah, that's amazing. Wow.
Yeah.
I feel like back behind my eyes and stuff. Wow. Oh man. That's good.
That's good.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Great.
So we're gonna get this left side just a little bit lower right here. Just relax your ear.
Oh man. Oof. Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Whew. Wow. I didn't think I had any more in there.
You had a little bit left.
Whoa.
Scoot up a tad bit. Like this is just kind of relaxed all on its own already. Let that go. Relax the shoulders, drop the head more.
Oh man. That's great.
She got one. Good. Lift your head
You
all
get
the way.
this reaction quite a bit, I'm sure. Like,
Yeah.
I can't believe it's actually so much. Oh man.
You haven't even done it, but you're expecting it already.
Yeah.
Good. Relax your ankles a little bit.
Oh man. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh man, I feel it so much like right here in that bump. Oh, that's crazy.
How was it?
Wow. It's shocking.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nuts. Man, dude. Wow, I've never felt anything like that. Oh. Kind of knocks your breath out a little bit.
It does,
Yeah.
but eventually, as you just keep breathing
Yeah,
more and more, it's a lot easier.
that was great. Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's true.
That wise strap ain't no joke.
Yeah, it ain't.
No, Doc,
It's everything.
Doc, I don't care what they say about you out there. You're a good man.
Go ahead and sit up.
Got a lot of mixed reviews.
Man, I feel it. I felt it, you know, down my back, but I felt it so much, just like right here in that bump we were talking about. Wow.
Just open it up, right?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Yeah, man, I feel great.
Good.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Wow. I like my head's more separated. My shoulders, I have more space. Oh, man, that's great.
Cool, man.
Yeah, man, that was really good.
You're all
really
set.
Good. Wow.
Relax your ankles a little bit. More. Good. More. More. Go. Good. Shoulder.
Oh man.